with the start. Field nearing the start. And they're off somewhere over a rainbow for the outside, heads out for the lead. Aunt Caroline from between horses, and moving from the rail is UF Dragons Queen. Charisma Hanover is angling in behind traffic there, and She Be Stingin' slides into fourth in between horses. The whip on the tail of Maddie Terror Girl, who's now fifth, just 3 lengths from the lead. Charisma Hanover third over behind She Be Stingin'. Jersey Licious is seventh on the inside, and Authorized at the tail is the trailer. Somewhere over a rainbow works to the lead for the White Knight Brian Sears, and she gets the quarter call in 27 seconds flat. She Be Stingin' is now moving up first over on the outside for Dave Miller, and She Be Stingin' is up into second after the other Holloway trainee somewhere over a rainbow as they move toward the half. Aunt Caroline is racing in third. UF Dragons Queen under tight lines is fourth. Charisma Hanover is parked on the outside in fifth and elects to just sit there rather than follow She Be Stingin', who now takes the lead. Maddie Terror Girl is sixth on the inside. Jersey Licious to the outside to follow Charisma Hanover, and at the back of the pack, Authorized is now third over. They reach the half in 55-2, so it's She Be Stingin' who's in control, and she's a length in front entering the far turn. Somewhere over a rainbow, and the pocket spot is second, and Charisma Hanover is coming to call up to the leader's wheel on the outside. Charisma Hanover now just half a length away from She Be Stingin'. Jersey Licious is well spotted with a striking position second over. Aunt Caroline is back in fifth, angling to the outside about 4 lengths for the lead. Then it's UF Dragons Queen as they reach 3/4 in 1:23-1, and the field comes to the top of the stretch. It's She Be Stingin' who's still out there with a length and a half lead. Charisma Hanover trying to hang in there first over, somewhere over a rainbow toward the inside. Up on the outside is Jersey Licious fourth, but it's She Be Stingin' who's drawing clear. She Be Stingin', a host of others chasing for place. It's She Be Stingin' to win the Nadia Lobel. UF Dragons Queen up for second, then I believe somewhere over a rainbow over Jersey Licious. Time for the mile, 1:50 flat. Unofficial winner, number 4, She Be Stingin'. A photo for place. In the place photo, second was number 1, UF Dragons Queen. Third, number 6, Somewhere Over a Rainbow. And finishing fourth was number 5, Jersey Licious. 4-1-6-5. And it's only appropriate that She Be Stingin' is returning to the Blue Chip Farm winner's circle, and she is by a Blue Chip stallion, one of the greatest in the history of the sport, Benner's Delight, the $2.5 million Cam's Card Shark stallion who sired so many champion performers during his illustrious career. His stud fee for 2014 set at $12,000. Blue Chip delivers Benner's Delight, one of their